Hi, this is Freelancer Tufayel Alom. In this video, I will show you how to set up Google Analytics 4 on your Squarespace website without GTM helper. So first of all, you need a GA4 account, and then you should log in on your Squarespace website. Okay, so this is my Squarespace website dashboard. Okay, so when you will enter your Squarespace website dashboard, then scroll down and you will get the settings icon. Okay, so click on this settings icon and wait, and you will get an option called developer tools. Okay, click the developer tools, then you will get external API keys. Okay, so click on this button. Okay, so you can see there is option Google Analytics. Okay, so you should copy your Google Analytics code, the measurement ID. You can see the measurement ID. Copy this measurement ID and go back your Squarespace website dashboard, and then put here your measurement ID and click on the save option. Then it will be saved and it will work for your Squarespace website, and you will get data on your GA4 account. But don't forget, you will get basic data if you set up if you set up GA4 through this process without the GTM helper. Okay, so if you want to track everything on your website, then you should add the GTM, and you can track everything through the GTM. So otherwise you won't be able to get the advanced data. Okay, so let me show you. If you want to select this menu, or if you want to select the gift card, this menu, then you should add the GTM, and through the GTM you can track all button. Okay, that's mean all menus. Okay, and it can be your e-commerce website or any website. Okay, so if you use GTM, then you can track everything to get data on your GA4 account. So if you want to get basic data, like the traffic, their behavior, and the outbound click, then you can set up the GA4 account through this process. But I will recommend you to set up your GA4 on your Squarespace website through the GTM, so you will get the all advanced data. So if you need any help, then you can contact with me. I will put my all contact link on the video description. So see you next video.